We're living in an era where yesterday's science fiction is today's reality. Gadgets that function as personal doctors, humanoid robots, or sustainable innovations that are tackling global problems head on. These aren't just flashy concepts, they're the tools shaping the future, right now. Welcome to Galore Techs. If you love tech or are curious about how it's changing the world, you're in the right place. Here are the most exciting innovations making waves across the globe. Number 1. Electricity heals wound. Did you know that a little zap of electricity can speed up wound healing? Researchers at Chalmers Institute of Technology and the University of Freiburg have found that applying electrical stimulation to wounds can boost blood flow, reduce inflammation, and encourage cell growth, leading to faster healing. This method has been shown to help chronic wounds heal up to 3 times faster than with traditional treatments. It's like giving your body a helping hand to fix itself. This breakthrough offers new hope for patients with diabetes, cancer, and poor circulation, enabling faster recovery. Number 2. New Chinese hypergravity machine. China has unveiled the CHIEF China Hypergravity Experimental Facility, the world's largest hypergravity machine. This state-of-the-art facility can generate forces up to 1,900 times stronger than Earth's gravity, enabling groundbreaking research in geology, materials science, and biology. By simulating extreme gravitational conditions, CHIEF allows scientists to study phenomena that occur under high-pressure environments, such as the formation of minerals and the behavior of biological organisms. This advancement has placed China at the forefront of hypergravity research, offering new insights into various scientific fields. Number 3. Emerge Wave 1. Ever wished you could physically touch virtual objects in VR? This could be possible with the next innovation. The Emerge Wave 1 is a device that projects ultrasonic waves into the air, creating tactile sensations that let you feel virtual objects without any physical contact. It's like adding a whole new dimension to your VR experience, making it more immersive and interactive. By using ultrasonic waves, the Emerge Wave 1 can simulate the sensation of touch, allowing you to feel virtual objects in mid-air. This technology enhances the realism of virtual environments, making them feel more tangible and engaging. Number 4. Aria Humanoid Robot. Meet Aria, the humanoid robot that's turning heads at CES 2025. Priced at $175,000, Aria is designed to be a social companion, engaging in conversations and expressing emotions. With advanced AI and motor technology, she can perform realistic movements and maintain eye contact, making interactions feel natural. Aria's portability and ease of modification enable her use in various applications, including education and healthcare. She is an instant crowd pleaser and can attract an audience quickly. Number 5. OMI Device. Meet OMI, the AI-powered button-like wearable that's like having a personal assistant around your neck. For just $89, this device listens to your surroundings and provides real-time information, summaries, and even personal mentorship. It's designed to be always on, offering a seamless experience throughout your day. It was developed by Nick Shevchenko and uses a simple microphone and sophisticated AI to interact with users and respond to their needs. Sticking it to the temple allows the device to read your thoughts. With its open source nature and integration with AI models from OpenAI and Meta, OMI aims to be a versatile and comprehensive AI platform. Number 6. Kirin Electric Salt Spoon. Do you love a high-tech touch in the kitchen? This one might be for you then. The Kirin Electric Salt Spoon is a unique, modern kitchen gadget designed to deliver saltiness through a mild electric current that stimulates taste receptors. It uses ions to mimic the flavor of salt and comes with 4 intensity levels to suit your preference. Just place your food on the spoon sensor and it activates, keeping your blood pressure low without sacrificing flavor. Right now, it's only available in Japan, but is expected to hit the US by 2025. Number 7. Swippett, Power Station for Smartphones. This toaster-like gadget is going to solve our issues with constantly charging our phones. Swippett is an innovative system that uses interchangeable batteries and a quick swap hub to fully charge your phone in just 2 seconds. Simply swap out the depleted battery for a fresh one, and you're good to go. The Swippett Link, a special phone case with a built-in 3,500 mAh battery, keeps your phone charged. When the battery runs low, you can quickly swap it for a fresh one using the Swippett hub, ensuring your phone stays powered throughout the day. 8. AI-powered automatic subtitle generation by VideoLAN. VLC Media Player has introduced a game-changing feature, real-time AI-powered subtitling and translation. Demonstrated at CES 2025, this feature generates subtitles for videos in various languages using open-source AI models, all running locally and offline. No cloud service or internet connection is needed. It supports over 100 languages, and no cloud service requirement makes it highly accessible and efficient. Initially developed as a plugin via OpenAI's Whisper speech recognition, this AI-powered subtitling is now integrated into the VLC app for real-time translation. Number 9. Humanpods AI-powered earbuds. Introducing Humanpods, AI-powered earbuds that act as your personal therapist, coach, and more. Developed by Natura Humana, these earbuds analyze your requests and provide assistance across various domains. With an open ear design, they ensure comfort and allow you to hear your surroundings. The earbuds are rechargeable with a 15-minute quick charge, offering up to 9 hours of use on a single charge. They also feature gesture controls for easy operation. There is a dedicated app that they need to download so the AI Humanpods can process requests. After that, users connect them to their smartphones via Bluetooth. Once connected, the users can start asking their AI Humanpods what they need. Number 10. XNote Smart Pen. Imagine a pen that not only writes, but also organizes your thoughts. The XNote Smart Pen does just that. It is an AI-powered smart pen that allows users to take notes and mirror them in real time in digital format. So no more waste of time conversion of your handwritten notes to PDF files. It uses advanced AI to automatically categorize your notes, identify key points, and even generate summaries, and is also supported by ChatGPT. Number 11. Black Panther 2.0, Chinese robotic dog with 100 meters per second speed. Another achievement from China is the Black Panther 2.0, a robotic marvel capable of sprinting 100 meters in under 10 seconds, outpacing even Usain Bolt. Developed by Zhejiang University, this quadruped robot mimics the agility of a cheetah, featuring advanced AI that enables it to adapt its gait to various terrains. It is equipped with specialized running shoes for enhanced traction and can operate in extreme conditions, including temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. Its impressive speed and versatility open up potential applications in military security and rescue operations. Number 12. LG PF600U 3-in-1 Gadget. LG's PF600U is a versatile 3-in-1 gadget that combines a projector, speaker, and ambient lighting system into a single device. Its sleek design and multifunctionality make it a convenient addition to any living space. It's designed for home entertainment and projects high-quality images up to 120 inches, delivering a cinematic experience. The built-in speaker provides immersive sound, while the ambient lighting creates a cozy atmosphere. The PF600U supports wireless connectivity, allowing seamless streaming from various devices. Number 13. Roborock Saros Z70 Robot Vacuum. Meet the Roborock Saros Z70, a robot vacuum that's more than just a cleaner. It can also collect your laundry, making it a versatile addition to your smart home. With advanced navigation and powerful suction, it ensures your home stays clean with minimal effort. The Roborock Saros Z70 stands out with its OmniGrip arm that picks up small stray items like socks, crumpled paper, and sandals. Thanks to a 5-axis claw, it uses sensors, a camera, and LED lights to identify up to 50 objects and clean the area using 22,000 Pascal suction, avoiding tangling. Plus, it has safeguards for pets and children. Number 14. Wonder Petal Garden Camera. The Wonder Petal is a nature-inspired camera designed to enhance your garden experience. Its flexible design allows it to wrap around branches or attach to various surfaces, blending seamlessly into your outdoor space. It's equipped with a 12-megapixel camera and captures high-quality images and 4K videos of plants, insects, and other wildlife. The camera utilizes AI to identify and provide information about the captured subjects through a companion app. Additionally, it features an optional solar panel roof for continuous power. So tell me, which one of the new tech developments did you find the most promising? I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting Galore Tech's videos. Thanks for watching.